अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। मैं यहाँ पे G-9 इस्लामाबाद में हूँ। I'm in G-9 Islamabad, Pakistan Zindabad, and I'm showing you my childhood cricket ground where I played. This is the board of Margalla Cricket Stadium. It says Margalla Cricket Stadium, G-9 Markaz. So these boys are watching the game. These players are outside the boundary. The boundary is this white thing, so they are outside the boundary. There is practice going on here for these matches. Practice is going on, and the good thing is these boys are in uniform. So that's the good thing. The other team has this kind of uniform, and they are playing. I'm very happy. I want to play too. G-9 Islamabad, Pakistan Cricket Stadium. So you can see the lights here, the stadium lights. We got here, stadium lights, and guys are playing. They got the team uniform, so the guy like him, you can see he has a team uniform. So I love cricket because of actually my country, Pakistan, the national game is hockey, but in my hearts and in Pakistani hearts, the game is cricket. So these guys are on a Saturday morning. These guys are playing cricket, and really